We've all seen the northern lights as a dazzling spectacle, but beyond the beauty, did you know the aurora actually has a voice? A faint sound hidden in the air above us, triggered by solar storms. When solar wind particles collide with Earth's magnetic field, they create shimmering auroras. But in rare, intense storms, researchers have captured soft crackles and claps in the atmosphere, as if the lights themselves were whispering. For decades, these sounds were dismissed as folklore. But Finnish researchers finally recorded them, proving that the aurora can create audible waves when solar particles disturb Earth's magnetic bubble. The mystery isn't fully solved. Why do some auroras sing while others stay silent? Each display in the sky is not only a light show, but a reminder that space weather is alive, and sometimes it speaks. The next time you look up at the northern lights, remember, you might not just be seeing the aurora, you could be listening to it.